Feel an itch that can't be scratched, body convulsing, trying to shake it off, trying to distract self. Reading, writing, listening to music, focusing on breath coming in and out. Trying to replace negative thoughts, fighting to stay upright. Resting when needed, but always getting back up. Thoughts seem to be too overwhelming to combat. Wanting to give in, letting go of any semblance of functioning. To hell with what others think. They don't know the suffering. They aren't being held against their will, prisoners of their own minds, but hope never leaves, always urging to try one more time, pick yourself up, and come back for more. Only captive when not resisting, stronger than thought to be. Keep trying no matter what. The bad may outweigh the good in quantity, but the good outweighs the bad in quality. If there's just one good day and an extremely long period of bad, the suffering is worth the bliss.